going to make up my modifier. So I'm going to use some bicarbonate of soda, which is going to be the alkaline, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons into my bucket here. I'm just going to dissolve that. So it's 2 tablespoons for 2 litres of water. Just dissolve that out. So for an alkaline modifier, you don't need to have the water hot. Sometimes this can damage the fibres. I'm going to test this first. So here I've got a wool sample of red cabbage, and this has been originally audited by alum, 5% alum to the weight of fabric, to 100 grams of fabric, and put in a dye bath. So let's see what happens with this one. Gone a little bit pinker. Let's put the madder in. This madder I dyed quite a long time ago actually, this yarn. Not too much out of that either. Actually, sort of after leaving it in there for a few minutes, it is going a bit more greener. See, it definitely is changing. Madder doesn't seem to be changing at all, really. Actually getting some decent colour change here now. I think I'm going to wait like 10 minutes. And this is after 10 minutes. So, I mean, yeah, there definitely has been a change in colour. I'm just wondering whether what I'm going to do now is add more, so alkaline, make it more of a stronger alkaline mixture and see what happens. Another dollop. So I'm going to double that strength. wait another 10 minutes, see what happens. Okay, after another 10 minutes and double the amount, don't really think it's changed that much. The colours have changed, but it's not increased or intensified any. But actually this isn't a really dark colour anyway, so I'm just going to rinse that in some detergent. Okay, because I'm going to have a move on to about an acid modifier now. So I've got here some citric acid. So same quantities. Isn't already. Just going to pop some hot water just to dissolve it. Adding tap water in here. Okay. Just pop there, sort of see the alkalines. And these are the originals. You can't quite see. I'll put them down there. It's going to wait. Ooh. Oh, I can see already that this is going a lot bluer quite quickly. Wow, that's nice. And the madder, again, not really doing too much, but yeah, we'll just have to see. Yeah. It's coming on nicely, so I'm going to wait 10 minutes for that. So I stopped it for about 3 minutes, actually not 10, because I can just see the amazing stuff that's happening with this sample of, you can see here how quickly it's changed to purple. I mean, so this is what we're working with so far. It's quite exciting, but I'm just going to pop it back in, do the full 10 minutes. Okay, so this is how it's turned out in the citric acid dye bath. So this is the original. It's really nice. Okay, just going to rinse that. Okay, so just having a look at the madder, I got a bit concerned that I hadn't picked a yarn that was dyed with madder, so I put in a piece that I really know I dyed with madder. Doesn't seem to be too much changes happening. However, let's just see it, compare it to the original. So this is the alkaline, this is the original. So I have to see how that dries out. Don't know. Oh, sorry, this is acid. This is the acid, not the alkaline. Because actually when I picked up the alkaline one, that one does look a bit more pink. It's difficult to see in this light, but that one's definitely more pink. So that is the alkaline. Put it along with the blues there. And this is the acid. And this is the original. Just move the camera so you can just kind of like see differences there. And I'll give you a better shot in a bit. Okay. So a bit longer. Okay, so moving on from the acid and alkaline mordants, I'm going to now mordant with iron. So actually this is like been in there probably over a year. I did a craft fair and they've been sitting in the bucket, in the jar there for like a year. So I'm going to start with just mordanting the originals. So easy to do. Chuck it in the modifying bath. Now, iron can be quite destructive to fibres, so the knowledge is that you don't leave it in here for very long. Probably a couple of minutes. So this liquid is quite dark. It's probably a minute now. Okay, so let's just see how this one goes. And the thing with natural dyeing is it's a bit, I would say, like not haphazard, but you know, you can modify. Timing is the essence with these things. So you can modify colours, and it all depends on timing. So it's definitely changed the colour of it, definitely saddened the colour, like it's kind of what I was expecting. I'm just going to rinse that in the tap. Okay, this is compared to the original. So definitely saddened the colour there. Definitely made it more grey-y colour. Okay. So pop that down there. And now I'm going to add one that we've already dyed with alkaline. So I'm going to put that now in the dye bath. Put that in there for a minute. And see if there's any changes to that one. I'm going to try and maybe I need to count how many stirs for a minute. Okay, that's about a minute. Bring it in. Okay, so this one is definitely more green compared to the normal one. So this is the original. This has been iron dyed, and now this has had been mordanted with alkaline, and now mordanted again with iron. Right, so let's check out the other ones. I'm going to put the acid in now. And wait a minute. Okay, pulling that out after a minute. I mean, this colour is lovely, as it is. Okay, give it a whirl. Okay, this one is quite a nice sort of light grey, I'd say. So that one was with the acid. That one with the alkaline. This one is the normal colour, and that was the original. really nice colour palette coming on. There. Okay, I'm going to do the madder now. Okay, just to say, probably want to rinse your washing up water, your rinsing water, one with the soap powder in. So I did the same for the madder selection. There are some differences, as you can see, not much compared to the, I don't think compared to the red cabbage, but still has a change of colour palette. Madder seems to be quite a hardy dye, so that's probably why it was used a lot in time gone past, but these are really nice selection of colours that have changed. So now I've got to decide on what to dye in my tank top. Okay. Also just wanted to show you the process of the different colours that we've achieved, especially with the red cabbage, and not so much with the madder, but still definitely shades of different colours there to work with.